Japanese doctor warning people to put a snake plant in their room. He mentioned 6 reasons, and I'm going to tell you right now without delay. And I'll tell you in advance, the 6th reason is controversial and will cause a lot of buzz in the comments, I'm sure of it. Number 1, folks, according to NASA studies, the snake plant is one of the plants that produces the most oxygen and purifies the air compared to other plants we might have at home. So that's the first reason. Number 2, folks, most plants produce oxygen during the day, right? But the snake plant produces it at night, which aids in sleep. So during the day, it will absorb the bad air with some components that aren't so healthy for humans. And at night, it will release the purest oxygen. Number 3 now, folks. The snake plant is capable of removing pollutant toxins from the air. This means it's very good at combating allergies. And as I said, this will happen during the day, and at night, your room will have clean air, free from impurities, all right? Number 4, it's a super easy plant to care for. It adapts to different light conditions and doesn't need much water. Being native to South Africa, it withstands drier and hotter climates, which makes it durable even without water. It also doesn't need direct light to grow, so it can easily stay in places with little illumination. The bedroom is an excellent option. Number 5, that it's very beautiful. Need more reason than that? It looks great in the bedroom, in the bathroom. It will decorate your house because it's a wonderful plant. And it will help those who have problems with rhinitis, sinusitis, and other respiratory-related diseases. Number 6, I saved the best for last, all right? There are people who believe it absorbs all the negative energy from certain people who visit your home. These people who believe this suggest placing the snake plant next to the main door of your house to contain this evil. Do you believe in this or think it's not real? Leave your opinion in the comments and tell me, do you have this plant in your house or do you want to have it? A very important note, folks. There are many reasons to have a snake plant at home, but it's important to handle it carefully and always keep it away from small children and pets because its leaves are toxic and can cause allergies and should not be ingested. All right?
Good day, beautiful people. So with all of that being said in that video, some of the things I knew, some of them I did not. I went out and I bought 2 more snake plants today. I already had one at home and I've had it for quite a while. It's very low maintenance, and that's what I love about snake plants and any plants, especially like bamboo as well, because it's hard to kill and you don't have to water it often. And the snake plant, I might water it once a month, and I love that. So like I said, I went out and I picked up 2 of these today and I got a great deal. So I went to Walmart specifically looking for snake plants and I found these beauties. They had been sitting out, presumably out in the rain, because they are absolutely filled with water. Actually, you can see all the moisture in there. So what I'm going to do is put some more soil in there to kind of dry that out, and I'm going to let these sit for quite a while without any water so that they can just, get all of that water out there. And also what I'm going to do is, as you can see, some of these leaves here have wilted and they're very mushy. All I'm going to do is basically just pull them out because they're very soft and easy to pull out. And the ones that I can't pull out, I am just going to cut, basically. All right. So I really should have on some gloves because, like he said in the video, these can be kind of toxic to children, and I do have an infant. But this also does have a foul smell because it's kind of rotted a bit. I'm going to get my scissors and cut some of these. I'm just going to cut like this tip. So the thing that I did not know was about the bad spirits as far as snake plants are concerned. And if that is the case, I will be putting one near my front door. And as far as the oxygen piece is concerned, I will be also putting one in my bedroom. I'll probably put the one that I've had for quite a while in my bedroom, since that one doesn't have as much water in it. But on the warmer days, I'm going to be sitting these outside so that this water can go ahead and dry up out of here, and then I'll go from there. But the other thing that I wanted to tell you, because I did say that I lucked up today when I went to Walmart, is that because these were damaged, what I did was I asked if they could discount these. These plants were $24.94. And because they were damaged and had a lot of brown on them and dying, I asked them if they could discount them. And they brought them down from $24. I'm sorry, they were $24.84. So they brought it down from $24.84 to $10 for me. And I got 2 of them, so I paid a total of $20 for these 2 beautiful snake plants. And they also have some nice pots as well to go with it. So I lucked up today. I got what I wanted. And once again, don't be afraid to ask for what you want. The worst someone can tell you is no. All right, so you go in these plant departments, you see what you want, it's not quite on sale, and you don't want to pay what they're asking for it, ask for a discount. You never know. So yeah, I want to thank you all for watching, and if you have any experience with snake plants or any other plants that have medicinal or spiritual benefits, please let me know. I'm very interested in plant life and as well. I don't have the green thumb that I wish I had, but I am definitely working on it. Thank you all for watching and be blessed.